Phoenix Towers is a set of 1,000 meters high towers proposed to be built in Wuhan, the city of Thousand Lakes, China. Claimed to be the world's tallest duo of towers, the project has been designed by Chetwood's architects for Beijing-based Huayan Group. Planned to be built at a budget of £1.2 billion, $1.8 billion, the towers are expected to become an iconic landmark in the capital city of central China and scheduled to be completed by 2017. The project is part of one of the master plans being developed by the architects for the Huayan Group for Wuhan City, which has recently been chosen as an environmental super city of the future by regional and central governments. But why Phoenix Towers was built? The towers have been planned to include innovative design and technological features that will clean the surrounding air and water from the neighboring regions, as well as promote a symbiotic relationship between the environment and the architecture. The project represents a fusion of modern Western technologies and age-old Chinese tradition and culture. Inspiration for the design was drawn from the dualist elements of Chinese culture that resulted in a pair of towers rather than a monolithic structure influenced by the West. Formed on the traditional Chinese phoenix symbol of two birds, a male feng and a female huang, the towers reflect the yin and yang philosophy of balance and interdependence. The Feng Tower will use sophisticated technology to supply the Huang Tower with renewable power symbiotically. A thermal chimney has been incorporated in the center of the taller tower that will draw air from the surrounding lakes and utilize it for cooling the building. Natural elements have been the inspiration for the chimney that will be heated by the sun. Suspended between the towers will be three immense spheres that represent, symbolically, planets orbiting the towers. Features of Phoenix Towers. The towers will be built on 7 hectares of a 47 hectares site located on an island in a lake outside the dense city layout. The taller of the two towers will be 1,000 meters high and will be equipped with filtration systems and other environmental features for the purpose of purifying the city's air and lakes. Featuring a total of 100 floors, the taller tower will house offices, retail outlets and residential units. The second tower will be built to include a large vertical garden, restaurants, bars, and galleries. Orbits between the two towers will be home to celestial-themed restaurants that will be accessible through skywalks from within the towers. The world's tallest kaleidoscope, driven by a wind turbine, will be present at the main tower and will create a kaleidoscopic display on being viewed from below. Structural features of Phoenix Towers. The towers will exhibit a steel superstructure that will be supported on a concrete core featuring a hat truss. The presence of a truss structure at the base and an outrigger with concrete buttresses will provide lateral stability to the towers. Sustainable features of the Twin Towers. The project has been conceived to connect Wuhan's lakes environmentally and socially with landmark destinations and lake district along a 20 km green wall of China and creating a new lakeside cultural tourist spot. Incorporated in the tower's design are a number of sustainable features such as lightweight photovoltaic cladding, biodynamic pollution-absorbing coatings, thermal chimneys, suspended air gardens and wind turbines. The towers will possess water harvesting recycling features, waste recycling by biomass boilers, and hydrogen fuel cells at ground level. Designed to enhance the water